Good medical morning. Today I'm going to ask you to check out the official fan page of the Rise Up Society. This organization works tirelessly in the fight against a parasitic sand flea that seems to be ravaging Kenya.
And we're looking at the rags he's wearing. It speaks volumes. And we're having Alocaine here, the peace enhancer.
The flea itself was transported there by accident by North American trade ships, and it thrives in Kenya's sandy soil. They live just below the surface until they come into contact with locals, ultimately using them as hosts. The YouTube page showcases hundreds of removal videos, stories of recovery, and original footage straight from Eastern Africa. Fair warning though, it isn't for the faint of heart. The impoverished people of Kenya struggle for everyday necessities like food and shelter. Take a moment to subscribe to the page. There's a lot to learn by watching Rise Up Society in action. Not all of the footage and commentary is for everyone. Seeing first-hand accounts of Kenya will open your eyes for sure.
Sometimes I can't sleep, so I take Rest More at night. It helps me fall asleep fast and stay asleep. I need more energy during the day, so I can get more done and feel refreshed. So I take Meta 7 every morning. Rest More is an all-natural sleep formula intended to aid your natural sleep cycle. Meta 7 was developed by Dr. John Gilmore to boost your metabolism. Visit Amazon and try both today.